Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer ETH from your MetaMask wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both MetaMask and Binance accounts ready. You'll need some ETH in your MetaMask wallet, so if you don't, top it up from another source. Always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Open your MetaMask extension or app. If you're on a computer, click the Fox icon in your browser toolbar. Once it's open, select the wallet that holds your ETH. Next, head over to Binance. Log in to your account and go to the Wallet section. Find the Deposit option, then select ETH from the list of cryptocurrencies. This will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy that address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Now, back in MetaMask, click on Send and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for gas fees. Gas fees are like the toll for using the Ethereum network, so keep an eye on current rates to avoid overpaying. Before you hit Confirm, review everything twice. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds, so accuracy is key. Once you're sure, click Send and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, once the transfer is complete, check your Binance wallet to see your ETH arrive. Congrats! You've successfully moved your assets. If you run into any issues, like delayed transactions, don't panic. Crypto can be unpredictable, but tools like Etherscan can help you track your transfer. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.